Yo, what's up guys? Why does your Android feel like it's running on 2015 software while everyone else's phone looks buttery smooth? If your screen feels delayed, scrolling isn't fluid, or gaming touch response is trash, don't worry, I got you. In today's video, I'm about to show you how to unlock insane touch responsiveness and make your Android feel crazy smooth, like flagship level smooth. And no, you don't need root or any sketchy apps. This is all safe, simple, and actually works. So don't skip, don't blink. Let's turn that laggy phone into a smooth beast. Let's get started. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you 2 simple steps that can increase your device's touch response and make it feel way more smooth. The second step is very important, so make sure you watch carefully and don't skip. First, open your settings, then scroll down and go to additional settings. Now find the accessibility option. After opening it, go to interaction. From here, just follow the exact same steps I'm doing on the screen. Now click on touch and hold delay and set it to short. This will increase your touch response sensitivity and make your screen react faster. Next, tap on touch to take action. If it's set to anything other than default, change it back to default carefully. After that, click on repeated taps and turn this option off for a better and more responsive screen experience. And that's it. You're done with step 1. This step alone can improve around 30% of your touch responsiveness. Now let's move to step 2, the most important step. This step has almost a 70% effect on your touch response, so pay close attention. In this step, we're going to use 2 applications to properly calibrate and improve your screen's touch response. First, open Zarchiver. Go to the folder where you saved the application file. Now simply install Touchscreen Repair and open it immediately. Don't waste any time. Once the app opens, you'll see its main interface. Now carefully follow the instructions shown on the screen. Whenever the app tells you to tap, tap exactly as instructed. It will guide you step by step to properly calibrate your touch response. Make sure you tap accurately and don't rush. This calibration process is what improves your screen sensitivity and responsiveness. Now we're almost done. Just one last application left. Quickly go ahead and install the second app, Touch Speed Sensitivity. This app helps increase your device's touch response without root. After installing it, open the app. Now tap on Calibrate. This will start calibrating your screen and allow you to improve the touch responsiveness based on your preference. Wait for about 2 minutes while the changes are being applied. Once it's done, boom. You should notice smoother scrolling and faster touch reaction compared to before. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy higher screen sensitivity on your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to show some love by liking the video and supporting the channel.